how can you log out of your Among Us account on your device. Firstly, you'll have to open Among Us app on your device. So after you open the Among Us account, you will get such an interface. So from here, you'll have to go the option setting just at the bottom left corner of the screen. So simply tap on the settings. Okay, so now from the settings, you'll have to go the option data. Okay, so from here I will want to give you information that if you are an Android user, you will not get options like to log out of your Among Us account from the app. So if you are the iOS user, from the data section, and after from here you will have to tap on this manage data collection. So from there you will be able to log out of your Among Us account. So if you have the Android phone, you will not be able to log out of your Among Us account from there. So if you want to log out of Among Us account on your device, you will have to just uninstall and install the Among Us app again. And although you can also clear the data of this app from the app info, so this is the method for the Android, and if you are the iOS user, you will easily get that option. So this is the easiest and simplest method for performing that. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.